want to show everybody my 6 new archival colors, and I'm going to show you what they look like on a different surface. So we'll start with peat moss. If you like water and can, this is an awesome, awesome, awesome background color. It's just really, really pretty. This is bluebird, a gorgeous blue. I'm going to have to say everyone's gorgeous because they are. Next one we have poppy, and I'll show you what that looks like. This is prickly pear, kind of a yellowish green. This is thistle. It's a really pretty purplish color. And then for sure I needed another brown, so we have acorn. So archival inks are translucent, and I get questions a lot of times like my ink color doesn't look the same as yours, and it depends on what surface you put this on, and this is what I wanted you to see. So if I take bluebird, I'll start with that one. And I'm going to add color to each one of these surfaces. So this is my new perfect white cardstock. It's 110 pound, it comes from Nina, so it's excellent quality. Super smooth surface, so it's great for stamping, great for stenciling. And you'll see how beautiful the color is. And I really wanted white because I wanted the beautiful archival colors to show through. So I'm just going to ink one corner of this to show you what that looks like. So that's what bluebird looks like on white. Okay, so now if I switch to the heavy stock tag, same color, I'm going to stick with the bluebird, and I'm going to ink one corner so that I can line these all up, and you'll see an amazing difference between the colors, and it's all because they're translucent inks. So same color, and this is my perfect gray cardstock, so same as the white but gray. So what's this color going to look like on gray? You'll be amazed how pretty it is. The gray kind of mutes the colors, and it's really awesome. And I think this really shows how valuable the inks are, because you can have one ink pad, and look at the 3 colors you get out of that one ink pad out of bluebird. So you can see on white, on the heavy stock, and then on the perfect gray cardstock. Dramatic difference. So let's do another color. So what if we switch to, this time we'll switch to poppy. And I'll do the same thing, ink each corner so that you can see what it actually looks like. And because they're translucent, the more ink you add, the darker the color will get. Okay, so that's poppy on white. Next I'll do poppy on the heavy stock tag. Big difference there. And then I'll add it to my perfect gray cardstock. And that's really pretty too. Okay, so now if I line these up, you'll see 3 really unique colors that does not look like it came from the same ink pad. So what I wanted you to understand is the surface matters when you're using the archival inks, because they're translucent and your base color really affects the final outcome. So I hope that gives you an idea to think about that. Thanks so much for stopping by.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell to turn on notifications.